If you guys have been following my videos lately, you guys know that I spoke about Dash, how this thing could be the next big mover, and how Zcash has been flipping and exploding, and how Dash could be the next big move to the upside. And this is exactly what is happening. If you guys have not seen my video 3-4 days ago, I did mention that Dash could be the next mover, and you guys can see that Dash is and did break from this massive triangle pattern right here, currently exploding from $41 to as high as $111. You actually would have been up over 100%, 175% if you took my buy signals a few days ago. So this is the video on Dash. We're going to be talking about that. Before I get into this video is obviously sponsored by BYDFi. So if you guys actually deposit $5,000, you get a $1,000 bonus. And on top of that, you guys can get access to pretty much all my trades right here on swing signals and scalp signals. All you have to do is pretty much go to the free VIP access, enter your UID, and you will get in. And another thing before I get into Bitcoin and Dash, if you guys do see here, there is a trading competition happening right now, and the starting pool price is currently sitting at $2,000. Okay, that is the starting pool price. Every $1 million of volume with everyone combined, with the 400 trader combined, $100 will be adding to the price pool. The last price pool was $8,000. So make sure you guys sign up. You guys can see right here, very low. These users are low. $34,000 leverage. If you're playing with $10,000 and you're doing 3x, boom, you're already number one. Okay, so that's what's happening. Let's have a look right here at Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been making quite the moves lately. Today, on a 4-hour time frame, not looking good. But if Bitcoin could make a higher high right here, and take this, get rid of this order block, that would be very bullish. So we do have a bearish OB right here that Bitcoin does need to clear. We do need to see some sort of higher high in order for us to take maybe a long position to the upside. I will be dropping it to my signals, in the Discord below. So make sure you guys not only sign up with BYD5, but make sure you guys join the Discord as well. Before I have a look at Dash, if we have a look right here, the 4-hour time frame, just real quick. Yes, we are overbought or oversold, sorry, I should say, on the stochastic RSI. The last time we were was right here, but guess what? Bitcoin did increase right here. We did have a bearish order block at $111,000. I would like for Bitcoin to essentially clear that and go to the next order block at $115,000. But overall, Bitcoin has been ranging right here between $115,000 to $105,000. And the big question is, will Bitcoin fall below this region right here? If we have a look right here on the daily, Bitcoin is in this massive channel, okay? And we know that Bitcoin likes to be in these massive channels right here. We've seen it multiple times, and we know what happens when we do break out. Bitcoin essentially explodes to the upside, okay? So these are all the channels that Bitcoin has been. I personally don't think we're gonna go below this channel. I don't think we're gonna go below this order block right here, sitting at $101,000, $102,000. If we do, that's going to be very bad. Not only will it be a breakout to of this bullish order block, but it would bring us all the way down to $93,000, which is a very crucial and important level. And then after that, we're going to need to reassess and see what's going on from there. But if we have a look right here at Dash, why is Dash pumping? If we have a look right here at CoinGecko, you guys can see that Dash, Zcash are actually leading number two. Dash just cracked the $1.4 billion. 24-hour trade volume is sitting at $1 billion. For those of you guys who don't know, Dash stands for digital cash. And Dash is a very interesting crypto. It's a privacy coin, kind of like Zcash. And the reason why all these privacy coins are pretty much coming into action all of a sudden is because, first of all, let's talk about privacy for a second. Bitcoin is not private, and Ethereum and all these cryptos are not private. The whole point of crypto originally is to be hidden, secretive, private, anonymous. If we have a look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin technically it's not a crypto. Yes, it made it into cryptocurrency. People thought it was anonymous at the beginning. Oh, we don't know whose address belongs to who, but it's actually more public than a bank account. That's number one. Things like Zcash and Dash and Monero, three and more like Zano and Horizon, these are real privacy coins. And I really do think that the run of privacy coins have started. Zcash currently sitting at $410 despite these, I mean, look at this pump, just a very healthy pump. In my opinion, we're most likely going to see Dash follow. And Dash is exploding at an alarming rate. Would I buy Dash right here? Probably not. But guess what? I did buy Zcash at like 240. I thought it was going to be too late, and I did make some gains. Okay, I did make some gains. I did take profit at like 2x. So obviously, will Zcash explode? Can it go to $1,000? 100%? Can Dash go to, $1,000, $2,000, 100%? Is it probable? We'll see. It's not impossible though. So obviously, privacy coins have been exploding. If you guys have been watching my video, of course, I said Zcash Flix XMR will Dash follow, and that is exactly what is happening right now. Dash is exploding up 20% of the day. Beautiful breakout. If you would have taken this trade right here on 5x leverage, I mean, you would have been up like a shit ton of money. You would have been up 10x right here in just 3 days. Okay, so that was a pretty solid trade. I took this trade on spot. I obviously pulled out a little bit too early. I pulled out at like right above 100. It was like 102 or something. And obviously this thing kept on pumping, kept on exploding. It doesn't look like a correction is going to happen anytime soon on the daily time frame. Kind of like how Zcash didn't really have any corrections. I mean, we did have a few pullbacks right here, but ultimately we never saw a big correction. Okay, we never saw any big corrections. And if we have a look right here at the Fibonacci retracements, we know that every time we see the bottom right here, we usually always come back down and retest the zero point 0.5 to 6.18. So the next correction for Zcash should be at approximately $318 to 286. I don't think that we're going to go below that, but that could be a very good and fantastic buy opportunity right here with maybe a stop loss at 260. And pretty much that's about it. We're going to have to see what happens right here. Dash is absolutely making some fantastic move. I don't see Dash slowing down anytime soon, in my opinion. On the 1 hour time frame, things are looking fantastic. Let's have a look right here at the Fibonacci on the 1 hour time frame just before I end this video. If I take this right here, put it to the upside, look at this, boom, we came beautifully back down, retested the Fibonacci, the 50% and the 0.618 before taking it to the upside. Let's take it from the bottom right here just to show you guys. This is obviously just an example. Nope, we never came back down and retested the zero point 0.5 right here or the 0.618. But this was a fantastic buy opportunity. That is my quick video, guys, on Dash, Zcash, privacy coins, Bitcoin, and of course the Discord trading competition. If you guys do like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video tomorrow. Peace out.